Here are two key guards with fundamentally the same dimensions, both for an iPad mini, both with a upper message bar of 10 millimeters in height, an upper command bar 6 millimeters in height. The message bar is exposed, the command bar is not. And the difference between them is that this one has been printed in a standard way with 90-degree angles on the edges of the message bar, whereas this one is printed with a 45-degree angle on the lower edge of that message bar. Now let's just see what the difference is in how it fits the actual application here. So it's a little tough to get in this space here. You can, but it's a little tough depending on what you're trying to get in there with. And certainly when you hold this at an angle, some of that message is occluded. You can't see what's going on in there. But if I take this one off, replace it with this one, now, even though I hold it at a bit of an angle, I can easily read what's going on inside the message bar, and it's much bigger space to get down inside and activate whatever I need to activate inside. All because I changed the angle here to a 45-degree angle instead of a 90-degree angle. A little hard to see without some reflection. Note that this really wouldn't have been possible had I not had 6 millimeters of command bar to use for this cut. And I did all that without making the message bar opening any wider and thereby exposing things I didn't necessarily want to expose.